welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Now today I have gone to Dollar Tree and I'm sharing with you my Dollar Tree haul. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the first item that I found that I was kind of surprised to find, and that is some shelf stable milk. This is the whole milk. They actually had 2% and they also had skim milk, but this is a liquid milk that is for the shelf, and it has a shelf life until July of 2021. So since I am building my prepper pantry, I thought I'd pick up a couple of these just to store in the pantry. In the event that we should have a shortage, I will have these handy. I wanted powdered milk. I've not been able to find that anywhere in my area, so I thought I'd give these a try. So they have these in the Dollar Tree. Also, I'm finding that the Dollar Tree is starting to have more antibacterial cleaning products, which is really good. So I picked up some Spick and Span. So this is the antibacterial Spick and Span everyday cleaner. It says it kills bacteria and viruses. So I picked that up, as well as this awesome cleaner with bleach. Now this is the first time I've seen this, and I use awesome products all the time. I use the ammonia one, and I also use the oven cleaner. I think it's the oven cleaner, but anyway, I think this still sprays, but this is a pretty good size here. This is a 40 ounce and it is awesome with bleach. So that's pretty good too. First time trying that. They also had this Fabuloso. Now I know Fabuloso is not a antibacterial cleaner, but I do love it for the scent. And this one is the complete. I've been wanting to try it, so I picked up one of those. This is a little bit of a smaller size. This one is 16.9 ounces, so not too bad. Let me see what it smells like. Kind of smells, it has a little bit of pine scent to it, so it smells good. Good for cleaning. So I got those. I also picked up these antibacterial wipes. Now I have really been on the hunt for antibacterial wipes and haven't found them anywhere, so I was pretty surprised to find them at the Dollar Tree. There are 40 in here for $1. So thought I'd give those a try, and there was a limit of 4 on these. So those are the items that I picked up specifically for, oh, I also picked up a couple of food items. I got this Texas Pete hot sauce. I love hot sauce. I like Texas Pete and red, what's that one, Red Hot? But they had this, so I picked that up, and that is also for the pantry. And also some grape jelly. Now the date on this jelly is March of 2023. That's the one thing about shopping at the Dollar Tree, well anywhere really, you need to be checking the dates, especially if you are trying to build up your pantry, because you want to make sure you have items that don't have a expiration date that's coming up soon. And then I picked up some cilantro. I like fresh cilantro, and I usually always have that, but I like to have this on hand just in case I have some that has gone bad or something and I need to rely on it, because I cook with a lot of cilantro. So I picked that up as well from the Dollar Tree. Then I got some foil, these foil sheets, the Reynolds. They're pretty thin, but what I use them for is I like to bake potatoes and I like to wrap them in foil, and so I use these specifically for things like that, or just warming up something kind of small or whatever. These are really nice to have, and it's 25 sheets in it, so I picked those up at the Dollar Tree. I got some antibacterial dial soap, 2 bars. I also picked up some Dove products, and normally, well, oftentimes, if you use the Fetch app, Dove always has, you know, cash back that they give you, or you get extra points for them or whatever. So I normally always pick these up to get those points. I got some reusable gloves in the large, and these are the heavy duty gloves. So I got those. I like to have a lot of rubber gloves on hand. I got some microfiber cleaning towels. These are really, really good for dusting. I love to dust and clean with this type of towel. So these are cleaning towels. I got this, and this is a 2-pack. Then I picked up some aloe vera gel. I like to use this after being in the sun. This is really, really good to help to soothe your skin. If you've been in some intense sun, this is intense heat down here where I am. So this helps a lot. And I like to have a lot of this on hand right now, especially because if all else fails, you can add some rubbing alcohol to it as long as it's 75% alcohol or more to this, and make your own hand sanitizer. So if there should be a hand sanitizer shortage and you have aloe vera gel and some rubbing alcohol, you can make your own. So I like to have that on hand, and they had this, and this is a 9.7 ounce, so that's a pretty good size. I picked up these Haggis Whites. Now, normally I don't pick these up, but the reason I did is because Clorox Wipes is another item now that you cannot find anywhere. And so I'm going to do an experiment with adding bleach to these to see if I can make my own Clorox wipes with them. So I thought I'd start off with some from the Dollar Tree since it's not a big investment. There are 40 wipes in here, so I'm going to find out how much bleach I need to put in here and actually try to make my own Clorox wipes, because you can't find them down here anywhere. This is something that I love to get every time I go in the dollar store. I like to keep a supply of these because I am known to throw my back out. And when I do, these are really, really good. These absorbing junior patches, and this is the extra large, so it covers a nice area here, but you just peel it off and it has this really strong menthol type smell, sort of like the Icy Hot, if you've ever used that, or the BioFreeze. But these are really good. I also like the Bengay patches that you can get there at like Walgreens and things like that, but I like to keep a supply of these on hand as well. They work the same for $1. I picked up some felt pads for under my chairs. I have hardwood floors, and for whatever reason the pads come out from under the chairs from moving them, so I like to put that on so that my chairs don't scratch the floors. And then this is a item that I've not bought before. This is a Jade facial roller. I've heard a lot about using these, that they help to firm your skin and relax your facial muscles, speed up blood circulation, and tighten your skin elasticity. So they had one at the Dollar Tree, so let me give it a try. It looks pretty legit. So I'm gonna give that a try. I picked up this from the Crafter Center because I have been painting a lot, so this helps me. I just pour my little paints in here. It looks kind of professional, right? To have a little paint pad, so pick that up. I got some nail polish remover. I have not gone back to the nail salon since this pandemic hit, so I've been doing my own nails. So they had this, and I like this kind because you can kind of put your cotton ball on and just push down on it. It's kind of a cool applicator, so I got a bottle of that. And then lastly, I picked up these. Now this is for making your own backsplash. They're like the peel and stick, and they have different types of designs. I didn't get it for that. I'm going to be doing another DIY with these, so I picked up 2 packs of those. But I have seen people that do their backsplashes with them, and they really look amazing. So you see they have these different options to choose from, so they really do look good. I've seen several people do that. Yeah, so that's my haul for today. Oh no, I knew it was something else. I picked up these little guys here, which are some gourds or something for fall. I don't even know what they are. I just realized that this is broken, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to be painting these. So I got these. I thought they were really cute, and they have the little leaves on them. And I picked up this little pumpkin as well. It's a beautiful color, and I may leave it this color, but I also may paint it. And then I picked up this twine. I was looking for this twine a couple weeks ago and couldn't find it anywhere at the Dollar Tree, but I'm using this for a DIY also. So yeah, those are all my items that I picked up today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you are not currently a subscriber of my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I upload a video, which is once or twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week. I would love to have you over here. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back. I'm so happy that you stopped back by. I hope everyone is enjoying your day, that you enjoy yourselves and stay safe out there. And I hope to see you back here next time on another video. Bye now.